Remember those old-fashioned unboxings? It was all clean and nice. This is one of those unboxing, and we have Xiaomi 11T Pro right here in the park. Let's unbox it. What's on the box? Carbon sound, 5G of course, 2 seals. It's 8 GB RAM, 256 GB of ROM version. Moonlight white. Why white? Because black was not available for today. And I'm in a hurry, so let's do it. Let's cut those seals. Move the Allen key, because why not? Can we do it with the Allen key? Apparently not. Let's go. Whoa. Okay, can you see it? Am I not blocking this? Okay, let me just change my position. Okay, this will be much better. There's something here. Oh wow, talk about presentation. Oh wow, look at it. Wow. Manual. Bigger manual. Another manual. So much paper. Wow. Original cover. That's what I like. That's what I like. They give you everything. Cover, SIM tool, and everything. Not like any other brands which will give you nothing and they charge you like 3 times more than the Xiaomi. Okay, let's just lift it. Let's put it. Wow, this is white. Oh wow, it's so white. Incredibly white. Okay, what else we have here? Oh wow. Well, sorry, I have to sit. My back is killing me. USB Type-C cable to Type A and humongous charger. No headphones, unfortunately, but the charger is 120 watts and it's humongous. And it's super heavy. Wow. So that's that. Let's put this back on and let's see the phone itself. Oh, sorry, I'm blocking the view. Wow, there it is. 108 megapixel Pro Grand camera, ultra wide telemacro lenses, 120 watts, super fast charging, 120 hertz AMOLED, a lot of 120s. Flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. So it has all kinds of technology, all kinds, latest and greatest. Satisfaction. Okay, so what do we have? Lenses. Look at this lens. It's not that big like in the other smartphones. Only this one is big. This one is small. And the middle one is like medium, flash. Nothing on this side. Carbon speakers. Maybe this is an infrared, I don't know. Front camera, of course. Oh, it's slippery. It is slippery. Volume button, power button, which looks really, really nice. And in here, we have a speaker holes, USB Type-C. I think this is a microphone and SIM card tray. It is slippery. It definitely needs the cover. And the cover is included, so... Oh, it's tight. Come on. Oh my god, God, it's so tight. It's very tight. Oh my God. Why it's so tight? Come on. Don't be like my ex-wife. Oh, Jesus. It won't go. It won't go. Oh, okay. A little love and it goes. Should we turn it on? Of course. Now it's grippy. Now it's very nice. Very grippy. Let's turn it on. You have any juice? Please. Give me some juice, baby. There's something's going on. There's the original plastic on the screen. I won't take it off. It's just unboxing. Whoa, the sound quality is brilliant. Latest Mio. Let me just set it. Wow, and there you go. What nice wallpaper. Okay, is it 120 hertz? Just don't troll me. It is. It is very smooth. Let's check the camera. Okay, I agree. Yes, I agree. Whoa. Awesome. Has wide angle. Bam. And telephoto. It has a macro. I don't know. Maybe it has a dedicated macro button. It has all kinds of definition. 105 megapixel. Check it out. Whoa, that's a lot of pixels. Okay. As the Netflix is pre-installed, there's all kinds of different things pre-installed. Wow, seriously? TikTok, Facebook, Office, AliExpress, eBay, please. But this is just an unboxing video. It is working nice. So, yeah, stay tuned for a more XIAOMI experience. And that's all I got. Please appreciate the original unboxing. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.